Hi, in this video I will show you how you can easily route your audio from Reaper to OBS Studio when you have a sound card that uses ASIO drivers. It's really easy to do, so stick with me here and I'll show you how to do it. My name is PA, welcome to my channel. Download the latest version of Reaper if you haven't already. Open the installation program. Click on the plus sign at optional functionality. Enable the check mark and select to install ReaRoute ASIO driver. Install Reaper. Start Reaper. Click on the root button on the master output. Add new hardware output. Choose ReaRoute 1 and ReaRoute 2. Open OBS. Pick your scene of choice. Add ASIO as a source. Choose ReaRoute ASIO. Choose stereo or mono. I choose stereo. Choose ReaRoute Reaper to client 1 on OBS channel 1. Choose ReaRoute Reaper to client 2 on OBS channel 2. Play something in Reaper. Check the ASIO audio meter in OBS and you're done. If it by some reason don't work, it seems to help to open OBS first and then Reaper. If you found value in this video, please let me know in the comments. Leave a like and also subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot. Take care out there. We live in a crazy world, but together we can make it better. So see you next time. Bye.